आवाज दो। बैंक एम्प्लॉइज यूनिटी जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद। बैंक एम्प्लॉइज यूनिटी जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद। Merger of banks. We oppose. Merger of banks. We oppose.
Adequate recruitment in the bank.
We demand.
Merger of banks.
We oppose.
Merger of banks.
We oppose.
Today, all the bank employees are on one-day strike to oppose the merger of banks. The recent decision Government of India has taken to close down 6 banks and merge them into remaining 4 banks, we are opposed to. All India Bank Employees Association is opposed to the merger. We say merger is not in the interest of the people and that the merger should not take place. We feel that the nationalization banks, number of nationalized banks should increase in the country because nationalized banks are good for the people of the country. Nationalized banks are safe and secure for the people. Private banks are not safe and secure for the people.
This merger are nothing but to divert the people's attention from the main issues which is affecting the economy of the country. The government has been time and again diverting and not giving the proper solution. The more the merger that has taken place, the charges have gone up. It has not been in the benefit of the common people. It only helped the corporates to loot the country, to loot the public sector bank and run away. That is why we in the bank employees are opposing the merger, because history time and again has said these mergers are not in the interest of the nation, neither interest of the employees, neither interest of the common people of the country. This one-day strike given by All India Bank Employees Association, it has been also given by Bank Employees Federation and supported by all the central trade union